This is the second day of CHINAPLAS 2025, the influential exhibition in plastic and rubber industry. Today I would like to talk to some exhibitors here. Let's hear what they say about this industry. What do you think of CHINAPLAS 2025?
Yeah, 2025 CHINAPLAS is a great event. We see a lot of people and also a lot of the overseas visitors come to Shenzhen. I think so many customers from the ASEAN, from the India.
I see your booth, is packed with people.
Yeah.
And this one is definitely the showstopper. Can you tell us something about this product?
Yes, we mainly produce the engineered plastics, and also more than 50% of our products is used for the automotive vehicles.
What is the advantage of using plastic instead of steel in a car?
So when you use the plastic to replace the metals, so you can reduce the weight.
But people are worried about the safety. Is it strong enough?
Yes, of course. This is the advantage of the engineered plastic. Engineered plastic have a very good strength. So in many parts, we can use engineered plastic to replace the metal.
What is the future direction of plastic? Is it going to be very sustainable or more cost effective or any other directions?
Both is very, very important. Sustainability is a hot topic. You go to almost all the big company, they have some kind of low carbon emission material. The second one also very important because of the China so many OEMs, so many material suppliers.
Yeah.
How to survive in this huge market, but with the very, very severe competitions. So the cost is, I think it's a top priority.
You're from Germany, right?
I'm from Germany, but I'm living in Hong Kong.
So what do you think of CHINAPLAS 2025?
It's very professional. It's great. It's many people. We have quite some visitors here.
This is not a plant.
This is not a plant. It's made out of our repurposed sample plex of TPEs.
I have to say this is really real. Even I was talking with you guys maybe for 5 minutes and I just realized this
We're
is...
already smelling the odor of the plant, right?
I cannot smell anything. Here I see so many interesting, like this is a toothbrush, right?
This is a toothbrush which is made out of sustainable material. We have various products for recycled content. It goes up to 70+% of recycled content, which is very good for nature, for the environment.
You see? Those kind of products can be used in the EV actually, or cars, right?
Or on some kitchen devices, or smart home devices. So there are a lot of possibilities. This is just an illustration about how we understand innovation. It's not just about function. It's not just about new chemical processes. It's also about getting ideas.
Can you tell us something about your company?
We're kind of one of the biggest chemical group in the planet.
See, there are so many things related to our daily life. Can you introduce something for us?
This is an area to introduce our materials such as PPE, PPT, PA, PC.
So for example, like this kind of products, now this is totally sustainable?
Well, it can be. It depends on the end user, what kind of material they're looking for. We also have some recycled material, which you say is sustainable. As I said, almost everything can be sustainable. It has cost. We are willing to support all kinds of these environmental friendlies.
But you offer the consumers two choices.
Yes.
If you want to have the sustainable, recyclable products, you can choose it, but the price may be a little higher, but you can still choose the traditional ones.
Yep.
This part is definitely the highlight in CHINAPLAS 2025. They're not trying to sell you the clothes, but they're telling you everybody's daily life is deeply linked with other new materials like plastic, like nylon. So protecting the environment, it's not just only use less plastics or do not throw the waste into the ocean. So every individual can make a difference.
Nice.
What do you think of this show?
This is the most important show for us in our industry.
So can you tell us more about your products?
W&H is one of the largest machine manufacturers for flexible packaging. This is for coffee packaging. Normally we need two different materials, PET and PE.
the advantage of using mono material is better for recycling rates.
Definitely.
I know this is sustainable, this is better, this is eco-friendly, but for many industry, trader or consumer, they are worried about the cost. Will it be very high?
Sure, definitely this is not a cheap solution.
Yeah.
In comparison to the traditional way, more costly. I used to live in Germany as well, and I understand the people who are living in Europe, they support environmental protection. Even they have to pay more. If it is more benefit environment, they are willing to pay more.
You can tell us how can we identify the truly sustainable packaging?
If it is a PET bottle for soft drink, it's just easily to collect.
Yeah.
But for soft packaging, for flexible packaging, it is just thrown away. In the future, I do believe that we will have a system for classification. Then also normal people can separate the material.
I totally agree with you. From lab breakthroughs to sustainable revolutions, CHINAPLAS proves plastics are no longer a dilemma. They're a solution. Smart recycling, carbon-neutral materials, and China's bold innovations show industry and ecology can thrive together. And the future is not in our hands. It's being reinvented here. This is CHINAPLAS 2025. See you next year. Bye-bye.